In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Amazon account. Before we start, a quick heads up. Closing your account is permanent. You'll lose access to order history, Prime benefits, saved addresses, and payment methods, digital content like Kindle books and apps, and any remaining gift card or promotional balances. If there's anything you want to keep, download your invoices, use up balances, and cancel active subscriptions first. Also, make sure you don't have any open orders or returns in progress. Open a web browser and go to www.amazon.com. Sign into the account you want to close. It's important you're in the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles, so glance at the top right to confirm the signed-in email or username is the one you intend to delete. At the top right of the page, click Account and Lists. From the menu, choose Account to open your account dashboard. This is where Amazon groups your settings, security, and privacy tools. On the account page, look for a section related to data and privacy. Find and click Manage Your Data. This area explains how your information is used and provides tools for controlling or deleting it. Inside Manage Your Data, locate the option labeled Close Your Amazon Account. Click that link to open the closure page. Take a moment to read the information presented here so you understand what will be removed and what can't be recovered after closure. You'll be asked to select a reason for closing your account. Pick the option that best matches your situation. This doesn't change the outcome, but it helps Amazon understand why people leave and may guide any follow-up communication. Next, you'll see a confirmation checkbox that says, "Yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data." Check this box to acknowledge the consequences. This is Amazon's way of making sure you understand this action can't be undone. When you're ready, click Close My Account. Your request will be submitted. In many cases, Amazon will sign you out and may send a confirmation message to the email or phone associated with the account. Keep an eye on your inbox and follow any prompts if they appear. Account closure can take some time to process, and if you had recent purchases, Amazon may complete cancellations or refunds as applicable. That's it. You've initiated the permanent closure of your Amazon account. If you were simply looking to reduce emails or tighten privacy without fully leaving, consider adjusting your communication preferences or privacy settings instead. Otherwise, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and take care.